Hello, history buffs and engineering enthusiasts. Today, we're journeying back in time to unravel the astonishing and often forgotten engineering secrets of ancient Egypt. How did a civilization without modern technology construct monuments that have defied millennia? It's a question that blends sheer human ingenuity with brilliant scientific principles. Let's start with the pyramids. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, consists of over 2 million stone blocks, some weighing more than 50 tons. Moving these colossal stones from quarries hundreds of kilometers away remains one of history's greatest logistical puzzles. Recent archaeological evidence, like the discovery of the Diary of Mir, an ancient papyrus logbook, reveals a highly organized system. It describes a network of man-made canals and specially designed boats that transported limestone blocks right to the Giza Plateau. They essentially brought the Nile to the pyramid's doorstep. But what about lifting these massive blocks? While ramps are the most accepted theory, the exact type is still debated. Was it a single, long straight ramp, or a more complex spiral ramp winding around the pyramid itself? Some researchers, like physicist Joseph West, have proposed an internal ramp system. This theory suggests that the Egyptians built a ramp inside the pyramid's structure, which would explain the lack of external ramp evidence and certain internal anomalies detected by modern scanning technologies like muon radiography. Beyond the pyramids, let's look at the precision of their work. The stones of the Great Pyramid are fitted together so perfectly that you couldn't even slide a piece of paper between them. This required incredible skill in stone cutting. Experiments suggest they used bronze saws and drills, aided by abrasive powders like quartz sand. By constantly applying this sand slurry, they could cut through granite, one of the hardest stones on Earth. Their temples and obelisks are equally impressive. The unfinished obelisk in Aswan gives us a glimpse into their quarrying techniques. They would carve deep trenches around the desired block, possibly by repeatedly heating the rock with fire and then rapidly cooling it with water to create cracks. Then, they'd drive wooden wedges into small holes, soak them with water, and as the wood expanded, it would split the massive granite block from the bedrock. The genius of ancient Egyptian engineers wasn't just about brute force. It was about a profound understanding of physics, logistics, and material science. They were masters of project management on a scale we can barely comprehend today. Their legacy, written in stone, continues to inspire and mystify us. Thanks for joining this deep dive into Egypt's engineering marvels. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more historical explorations. See you next time.